Friends, today I'm going to make video on a very good topic. That topic name is pop-up ads. When we working on our mobiles, so sometimes we got some ads. That ads are very disturbing for some peoples. So if you want to disable those ads, so please follow my steps. I will tell you how you can stop or disable those ads. So I will show you what kind of ads I'm talking about. First you see this ad, and I will show you other ads like this. So if you want to stop or disable these ads, follow my step. Friends, you just go into the setting, okay, in setting just scroll down. There you will see one option, accounts. So there you are also watching one option, Google. These all ads are coming from Google, so you have to enter that option, Google. Okay, after entering that option, you are watching the second option, personal info and privacy. Just go and enter there. Actually the mobile is in my hand, so okay, here after going you just scroll down. You are watching one option, ads setting. Just press. Now you are going to another page. He is saying that just enter with your Gmail account, so I'm going to enter there. Just press on the next button. After pressing the button, you will see the next page. If you are watching there, ads setting, you just go there and you are watching one button that is enable, blue color. There is written ads personalization, so you have to turn off this button. Just press this button like this. It is giving you message turn off. Just say it, yes, turn off, and say it, got it. This button is turned off now, so now you will not get any ads from your device. So I hope you will like this video, and please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. Thank you very much. Bye.